How do I make my videos? Well, first I go to my Makerworld or Printables website, then just scroll for a bit, and when I find a cool fidget, I just go to the STL-CAD files because that's the best option for when you use Flash Print. Then just download all of those and then head over to your Flash Print, click File, Load File, and click your files that you want to print. Then when you've done that, you'll see this. I chose this one, and then you click Start Slicing, and then when it's done slicing, you can power up your 3D printer, make sure that it's connected, then it will stream the printing file, which will take a couple of seconds, and then it will start printing. Look, here you'll see it printing, and then when this is done, which it will be about an hour, I will take it off of this plate, which I forgot to put on once, and this was the result. Then this blob was being dragged along by the nozzle and it just filled completely. Anyway, I'm not gonna wait till that one's done, so then I just assemble my fidget, make a video about it, and go to my YouTube studio, go to create, upload videos, and then here I can select files. Here's one that I gave no title, so this is after editing, by the way. Then you just give it a title, like this one was the big V12 car engine fidget, and then you just, at least I do that, I just add some tags to it, like usually 5, because it's just 5 that I always use. So it's 3D printing, satisfying, rating, FidgetToys, and then fidget. Then I have my description here, which is just always the same, and a link to my playlist, which has all of my short form videos in it. So then I select this one, super satisfying and budget 3D printed fidget, with a lot of keywords like satisfying, budget, 3D printed fidgets. Don't mind the sound in the background, that's my loud ass printer. Then I'm gonna click no, it's not made for kids, because otherwise it will be recommended to only kids. Add related video, I do that to all of my videos, and I will always relate the video to my most recent video that I published before this one. The initial check, of course, they were not gonna find copyright issues, and community guidelines are just normal. And then to visibility, I will always schedule it. This one will be at around May 2nd at 12 a.m. and then I'm just gonna hit schedule, and when it's 12 a.m. on May 2nd, it will be published without me having to publish it manually. But this works for me and helps me because I don't have to publish everything manually, and my ADHD brain cannot remember to publish all of those videos manually. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing and liking my video. And if you have any suggestions for 3D printed fidgets, please leave a comment. And also check out my new video.